Welcome to the Gene by Gene at-home DNA test kit review. Usage experience. Links to the product can be found in the description below. Gene by Gene is a comprehensive at-home DNA test kit designed to provide detailed insights into ancestry, health, and genetic traits. This service is aimed at those who value precision and advanced scientific methodologies, making it a great choice for anyone from genealogy enthusiasts to individuals seeking tailored health information based on their DNA. The Gene by Gene kit is straightforward to use. After ordering, you'll receive a simple collection kit for your saliva sample, which you mail back to their state-of-the-art laboratory. Once the analysis is complete, you gain access to a wealth of genetic data through their secure online platform. Their ancestry reports are particularly detailed, offering a deep dive into both broad regional heritage and more specific genetic lineages. Gene by Gene is well regarded for its precise genealogical insights, often used by researchers and professional genealogists. One standout feature is their ability to trace both paternal and maternal lineages through Y-DNA and mtDNA testing, an option not commonly provided by many at-home DNA kits. This is especially valuable for those looking to map their family tree or discover potential historical connections. Gene by Gene also offers health-related insights. Their reports cover genetic predispositions for various traits, health risks, and personalized recommendations for improving wellness. While the focus on health isn't as extensive as some other kits, the information provided is accurate and grounded in solid scientific research. This kit is best suited for people who are serious about ancestry exploration or want a reliable DNA test with scientific rigor. It's also ideal for individuals interested in specialized services like Y-DNA and mtDNA testing. However, it may not be the best choice for those seeking an extensive health-focused test or instant lifestyle recommendations. In conclusion, Gene by Gene is a premium DNA testing option for those prioritizing genealogical accuracy and advanced lineage tracing. If this aligns with your needs, check the links in the description to explore your genetic story today.